Okay, I've got a problem with my motor speed for the blower motor. So it seems to work on 1. You can just hear that. 2. On 3 it doesn't work. And then on 4 it's fine. Okay, so there's an issue there. Okay, so I need to find the blower motor resistor, which is down under the passenger side. So if I look under here, it's this unit here. So I'll pull this connector out. Have a look for any burnt terminals. They look okay. Oh, hello. That'll be the problem. Okay, so I'll solder that back in and hopefully that's all it is. Otherwise you've got to replace the actual resistor unit, which is here. There's a couple of screws, this pulls out and you can replace that part. Hopefully that's all it is. So I'll solder that back in and see if that fixes it. Okay, let's see if this worked. Okay, 1 is good. 2 is good. 3 is good. 4 is good. There you go. Simple. Now I think the problem is, the reason that it's broken, it's right in the footwell, and I think it's just been kicked a few too many times, because it hangs down low there. Anyway, I might try and cable tie that up out of the way a bit more. Job done.